Delhi LG versus Arvind Kejriwal full-on showdown currently happening. And now this is with regard to Delhi LG. VK Saxena saying, I first quote him here, claims Aam Aadmi Party spent 600 crore rupees on advertisements on its promotion. Congress government spent 15 to 20 crore rupees on the ads. Basically, he's suggesting the kind of difference that has happened, that earlier, if the Congress was under Sheila Dikshit regime, spending 15 to 20 crore rupees, Arvind Kejriwal spent 600 crore rupees. Saxena also said that Jal Board has spent 28,000 crore rupees allegedly over the past 7 years. This is the Jal Board, which is responsible for clean water across National Capital Delhi. Delhi LG clearly, he was speaking basically in a podcast. In that conversation, he's made these big charges at the Aam Aadmi Party.
जब शीला दीक्षित जी चीफ मिनिस्टर थी दिल्ली की
जी,
तो उनका पब्लिसिटी का बजट, मैंने वो पेपर्स देखे हैं, किसी साल 11 करोड़ का था, कभी 14 करोड़ का हुआ, कभी 22 करोड़ का हुआ। इसी तरीके के उनके बजट हुआ करते थे। लेकिन इस गवर्नमेंट के आने के बाद जो पब्लिसिटी का बजट है वो 665 करोड़ तक पहुंच गया साल का।
665
जी हाँ,
665 करोड़।
जी हाँ,
माय गुडनेस।
और इस बजट के माध्यम से उन्होंने एडवर्टाइजमेंट्स देने शुरू किए, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मीडिया पे भी गए, प्रिंट मीडिया पे भी गए, और वो शायद इसके माध्यम से मीडिया को कंट्रोल करना चाहते होंगे।
जी,
यही नियत हो सकती है। और दूसरी बात यह कि एडवर्टाइजमेंट्स देकर जो आपने नहीं किया है उन चीजों को छुपाने की भी कोशिश करते हैं, क्योंकि पब्लिक अगर देख रही है कि एडवर्टाइजमेंट आ रहा है कि यहाँ ये हुआ है, तो आप मानेंगे कि भाई हो सकता है ये हुआ हो। तो ये बड़ी अजीबगरीब बात है। और अगर पिछले 8-9 सालों का हिसाब देखें तो करीब 3,500-4 हजार करोड़ रुपया जो है वो सिर्फ एडवर्टाइजमेंट के ऊपर खर्च हुआ है। आप इमेजिन करिए कि अगर ये पैसा गरीबों को उनके मकान बनाने में खर्च हुआ होता तो हजारों लोग जो झुग्गियों में रह रहे हैं उनको पक्के मकान मिल जाते।
जी जी जी,
कि जल बोर्ड ने पिछले 7 सालों के अंदर लगभग 28,000 करोड़ का कैपिटल एक्सपेंडिचर किया है। लेकिन वो 28,000 करोड़ का एक्सपेंडिचर कहाँ गया?
जी,
आज सीएजी भी पूछ रहा है, हम भी पूछते हैं कि वो खर्चा कहाँ हुआ है। 28,000 करोड़ के अंदर आप दिल्ली की एक पाइपलाइन को बदल सकते हैं। यहाँ की जो इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर है वो बहुत पुअर है।
जी जी जी,
जिसकी वजह से ये भी एक विडंबना है कि यहाँ पर 48% to 50% वाटर का वेस्टेज होता है।
सही सही।
आज दिल्ली में जो पानी की जो रिक्वायरमेंट है वो करीब 1125 MGD की है और करीब 900 समथिंग MGD का प्रोडक्शन है।
बिल्कुल।
जो थोड़ा बहुत जो गैप है, अब आप उसके अंदर देखिए कि जो 925 MGD का जो आपका प्रोडक्शन है उसमें 50% तो आप वेस्ट कर रहे हैं।
जी,
तो वाटर की शॉर्टेज अगर नहीं होगी तो क्या होगा, जिसका आपके पास कोई अकाउंटेबिलिटी नहीं।
सही बात।
कोई अकाउंट नहीं। तो इतना मिसमैनेजमेंट मैंने अपनी लाइफ में कभी नहीं देखा।
Joining me now is my colleague Ashutosh Mishra for the latest on that. Ashutosh, good morning. It's very interesting how the Lieutenant Governor has also jumped into the showdown. Tell us more, because it's a serious charge, the advertisement, spending more on your promotion than real work.
Well, there's nothing new that we hear because ever since the new Lieutenant Governor joined, we have seen all these lambasting the elected government almost on every other issue. Subsequently, it's a podcast between two leaders. One is the BJP leader and another who's the Lieutenant Governor, is the former BJP leader. So clearly, there is, it's not a coincidence this all happening on the eve of the election. But that's how you fight the elections. When you have to take on your own opponents, then you go by all means. So that could be seen exactly in this way. Now, coming to the merit of the point, what the Lieutenant Governor in this podcast have raised the issue have been accusations against the Aam Aadmi Party government from the beginning. So this is not first, this is third term, and for 49 government, then 49 days government, then 5 years, and then again they are contesting for this election after 10 years, and that's why we say there could be a possible anti-incumbency against the AAP government. So on the issue of expenditure on the ad, but somewhere he also said that trying to suppress or manipulate media, I mean, probably the Lieutenant Governor doesn't understand the functioning of the media. The media doesn't suppress by anyone. Subsequently, the point that he raised about the loophole, the fixing the mess in the Delhi Jal Board, irregularities in Delhi Board, there have been accusations. There have been even a probe initiated. If you remember, when the Joint Commissioner Meena was the ACB head, there was also raid on the Delhi Jal Board. The CBI has filed a case on the Delhi Jal Board, irregularities on the funding and financing. So all these questions have been raised in the past, and on and off these questions have been responded by AAP leader. But again, this is the elections. Everything that goes against the government, the opponent is bound to raise, and that's how the democracy functions. This is the duty of the opposition to take up all these issues to the public, that look, this party has been in a power and there have been several irregularities and a mess in their governance, and that's how people elect their government. Clearly, what the LG has raised these issues, the BJP will also scale it up further in the coming day, and subsequently Aam Aadmi Party will also answer on almost all these irregularities and the accusations being leveled against them during their governance period. Pooja.
Okay, very interesting. Ashutosh, stay on with me.